everyone, this is Casey from US Tool and Fastener, coming to you live from my basement workshop here. Today we're going to be unboxing the CT-15. Just came out today. It's Friday, April 17th. I know everybody's been waiting to see this one. This is going to be my first time seeing it as well. This is actually my unit that I ordered. So let's get right into it. Alright, let's get that box opened up. Alright, right up top, first thing we're going to take out is the hose. We'll set that aside. Well, it looks like nothing else is on top. So we're going to go right to it, and we're going to get the unit right out. That was it. That's the unboxing. There's only two things that you really have to pull out. So let's get into the unit itself just a little bit. So the first key difference that you may have already noticed during the unboxing was that the hose is not the green anti-static hose, but the basic gray ribbed hose. So this may be something that you want to think about upgrading in the future to that anti-static hose. For me in my shop here, I've already got a CT-26 behind me with that anti-static hose, so this is going to do the job just for me. I'm going to set that off to the side for right now. The rest of the unboxing takes place inside the CT-15. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the storage compartment, and you'll find the service all-inclusive card. Now every CT comes with Festool's 3-2-1 guarantee policy. So make sure you take this card, take these numbers, and head to festool.com/register and register this so you get that warranty. Inside the storage compartment, we have the power cord tucked away. We've got the upholstery nozzle, and we have our crevice nozzle. That all fits and stores right inside the storage compartment. So I thought a few other things might have been in here, but they must be hiding in the main chamber. Let's pop this open. I'm going to set this aside for now. Inside the unit, you're going to find your bungee band. The bungee band is going to be what holds your hose to the top of the unit. Now with the CT-15, there is no hose garage, so do not lose this. This is very important. You've got your user's manual, very important. I know nobody reads this, but you should. And your self-cleaning filter bag. Okay, a couple of key features to go over. So we do have our filter right here on the side, just like the Mini and Mini. Let's see if we can get that back in. There we go. We do have an exhaust blower port. On the front of the unit, you'll see that we have the new upgraded touch controls, just like we do on the new Mini and Mini that came out last fall. However, the CT-15 does not have Bluetooth capabilities. So something to consider. If that's important to you, you may want to look up to the Mini or Mini. We do have our power outlet right here, so we can run on manual or automatic when the tools turn on. So Festool is calling this their starter vac. And at $349 for a fully certified HEPA vac, I mean, you can't really beat that. We're looking at it a couple of different ways too, though. We think this is an ideal second vac that you can keep in your shop, either as a stationary unit with your Capex, or underneath your MFT or your workbench, whatever you're using. It's also a great vac to have readily accessible in your truck for doing post-job cleanup. With the blower feature, I mean, you blow off all your tools when you're out in somebody's driveway. It is phenomenal. There are a lot of cool accessories for this that we will post links to in the notes below. If you have any other questions about the CT-15 or any other Festool tools or accessories, give us a shout at 877-777-4717 or leave a comment below or reach out to us on social or via email. Looking forward to hearing from you. Check out the new CT-15 in stores and shipping now.